go. Hi. Hey, konnichiwa. Thank you. Tickets?
Ticket.
Okay. Sweet. That's your ticket. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good night. There you go. I thought that I was having a free ride. Oh, the ticket inspector came in, checked the ticket. You can't get on a train in Japan without a ticket. Be mindful, be honest, be sincere. If you are, you can enjoy the ride. If you haven't bought the ticket, you're trying to dodge between the ticket inspectors and the toilet and the shower and the washroom and the bar and under the bed and over the bed, over the ceiling, like everywhere else in the world is trying to do. But it's simple. Why do you have to put yourself in such a mess and such a state of struggle? Do what you can. It's okay if you can't do what you can't do. But if you can do what you can do, it's good for all. If you don't do what you can do, you're a disaster. With that note, I've spoken enough on this Izumo sunrise. Before the sunrise, I should at least have a little bit of rest. Every machine needs a bit of rest, and it's the key to perform even better.